new engine coming today. He's visiting. His name is Wilbur, and I get to go meet him," exclaimed Percy. "That's great!" exclaimed Toby. "Well, you better be off." "Yes, I must," said Percy, and he puffed away. The new engine was waiting at a siding and sizzling happily. "Hello," said Percy. "Ah," said the visitor, "you must be Percy." Yes, I am." "Come on, I'll show you around." Percy showed Wilbur all the places to go. That night at the sheds, Percy and Wilbur got to sleep together beside each other. They were happy. "He seems a simple sort of engine," said Edward. "I agree," said Gordon. Henry and Jack were delighted to have somebody visiting. Next morning, Percy and Wilbur decided to have a lot of fun that day. They'd work, push trucks, pull a goods train, shunt coaches, and push the bigger engines around. Percy even told him about the time he raced Harold. "I'll race you," said Percy. "Agreed," agreed Harold. "Yay! I won!" "Yes, you did," said Harold. "We've been great friends ever since," finished Percy. Later, Wilbur decided to tell Percy's story. "I had this friend. His name was 16. 16, asked Percy. "Yes, he was a troublesome engine. I'll tell you about him. He was always having accidents and coming off the rails. Everywhere he went, he was having trouble. And usually his only reply would be a few spills. Nothing to worry about. Eh, Wilbur?" I would just sigh. Soon it was time for everybody to say goodbye to Wilbur. He was sad to leave, but was going home. "Goodbye, Percy," he said. "Yes, goodbye, Wilbur. Have a safe trip home." "I will. Work hard for me, and make sure you bump those trucks extra hard for me. Okay?" "Yes." And Wilbur was gone. That night, everybody discussed Wilbur. He was a nice engine. He was simple. Yes, he was a good engine. Yep. All the engines hoped Wilbur would come back for another visit.